Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered why Google provides so many powerful services completely free? Google Search, Gmail, Maps, Chrome, Android, YouTube, billions of people use them every day without paying anything. But if these services are free, how does Google earn hundreds of billions of dollars every year? The answer lies in what Harvard professor Shoshana Zuboff calls the surveillance economy. So, in this video, I'll explore how Google evolved from a simple search engine into one of the world's largest behavioral prediction companies and why many researchers believe this transformation changed the internet forever. Google was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two PhD students at Stanford University. So their original mission was simple yet ambitious: to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Google quickly became popular because its page rank algorithm delivered faster and more relevant search results than competing search engines. At this stage, Google's primary focus was improving the search quality, not advertising. However, despite millions of users, Google still faced one major challenge. It had no sustainable revenue or business model. So the company needed a way to turn popularity into profit. So in early 2000s, Google had millions of users, but revenue remained limited. Investors wanted a profitable company. While searching for a solution, Google discovered something extremely valuable. Every search reveals information about the user. For example, what people are interested in, what they intend to buy, what problems they want to solve, and even what they might do next. Instead of seeing searches as simple requests for information, Google began viewing them as signals about future human behavior. This realization changed everything, literally everything. So the user behavior itself became an economic resource. So, according to the Shoshana Zuboff, Google soon realized it was collecting much more information than was actually necessary to improve the search. This included search history, click patterns, location information, device details, and browsing behavior. Zuboff calls this additional information behavioral surplus. Behavioral surplus is data collected beyond what is required to provide the service. Instead of discarding this extra information, Google discovered it could use it to generate profit. In Zuboff's view, this became the raw material of a completely new economic system. So, then Google engineers discovered something even more valuable. Behavioral data could predict future actions. For example, what products users might purchase, which advertisements they would likely click, and what information would attract their attention. These predictions became commercial products. Advertisers were willing to pay for highly accurate predictions because better predictions meant more effective advertising. This created an entirely new business model. Human experience becomes data, becomes predictions, and predictions becomes profit. This is the foundation of what Zuboff calls the surveillance economy. Google transformed this idea into reality by launching two major advertising platforms. First, it's AdWords in 2000, allowing businesses to advertise alongside the search results. Then came AdSense in 2003, enabling websites to display Google advertisements. Because Google understood user behavior so well, it could show advertisements that were more relevant to individual users. The results were remarkable: higher click rates, better advertising performance, and extraordinary revenue growth. Google's advertising revenue grew from approximately 7 million US dollars in 2001 to more than 237 billion US dollars in 2023. It's humongous. It's like more than you expect. So the advertising had become Google's core business. Google's data collection didn't stop with search. Over the time, the company expanded across an entire digital ecosystem that includes Gmail, Android, Chrome, Google Maps, YouTube, and Google Analytics. Together, these services provide insights into many aspects of everyday life. They can reveal communication patterns, movement, entertainment preferences, shopping interests, and browsing habits. Instead of understanding only what people search for, Google could understand much more about how people live and interact online. According to Zuboff's, surveillance had expanded far beyond the search engine. So, Google's business model influenced much of today's digital economy. Many companies adopted similar approaches, including social media platforms, online advertising businesses, and data broker industries. Supporters argue that this model offers important benefits. It enables better services, more relevant advertisements, and free digital products used by billions of people. Critics, however, raised serious concerns. So these concerns are loss of privacy, behavioral manipulation, concentration of corporate power, and possible risk to democratic societies. Ultimately, the debate comes down to one important question: should human behavior itself become a source of a corporate profit? There is no simple answer, but understanding how this system works helps us become more informed digital citizens. So, thank you for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more content exploring technology, artificial intelligence, a digital society, and emerging innovations. See you in the next video.